Hi everyone, Zoe Clarke from RosterElf here. Welcome to this quick walkthrough on keeping your payroll costs and sales revenue accurate. How to view estimated costs. Click Payroll Summary on the left slide panel to see staffing costs calculated from each employee's pay template, giving you an instant snapshot of rostered expenses. Hover over any shift to view its individual cost, helping you compare roles or sites at a glance. Adjust shifts as needed and watch the estimated total update live so you can balance coverage and budget in real time. How to add weekly sales revenue. Click Payroll Summary and locate the weekly revenue box, ready for your total sales amount. Type the week's revenue figure into the box to match your financial records, ensuring payroll to sales accuracy. Click Update to save, so managers see cost-to-revenue ratios immediately. How to add daily sales revenue. In Payroll Summary, click Set Actual Revenue by day to open daily fields, perfect for businesses with variable sales. Enter each day's revenue in the corresponding field, giving you detailed insights into daily performance. Click Update by day to lock it in, allowing managers to track labor percentage against daily takings. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering!